Yeah, that's right. That's smoky for you. And if you're watching this, this is the footage of what happened after putting the accessory belt. Before, the belt would just jump off the pulley just by itself. Until I recognized the water pump bearing had a major play in it. But it wasn't leaking, the water pump wasn't leaking. Make sure you check out the last two of my video and you might have a little more understanding of what I did.
So you have a full view of the engine for you to get access to put anything or like accessory belt, timing belt, whatever. You have to drop the engine from here. Okay, gotta take out the engine mount and drop the engine. Well, like I said, since I don't have no car lifter, best thing to do is, you know, luckily I've got small hands.
Accessory belt is busted or a faulty alternator, the red battery will pop up on your dashboard. It used to be the case before, but not anymore.